Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukog amazing.
Christmas cake.
On fire! Christmas! KaFam is BER Months! I like
First
BER
day of
Months.
Christmas na in the Philippines. Only in the Philippines, we are celebrating the longest Christmas in the world.
Yes, I like to marshmallow because when I marshmallow, it will be brown and it will be so stretchy like a slime.
Ako naman gusto ko yung smell, roasted
Yes,
marshmallow.
me
It
too.
feels like Christmas.
Yeah. My teacher played Christmas music because is
Bergman.
BER Months. KaFam, we always roasting marshmallow every September 1.
That's today.
There you go. I'm done.
Na.
KaFam, you like roasting marshmallow? I like roasting marshmallow because I like the flavor. And I'm so excited to light up the Christmas lights. Today, September 1, Friday. Balcony light when it's nighttime. Put table and chair.
Claire, help mo ko magkuha table.
Okay. We have to wait until it gets dark. So later, soon it will be dark. Maybe there's a moon. I'm so excited to watch the moon and stars.
May surprise ako sa iyo.
So do not tell me. Yes, when there's a surprise, do not tell it first because it's a surprise.
Yes. Di pa to nakikita ni Claire. Gagamitin namin siya first time mamaya sa aming roasting of marshmallow.
Yes! There's Nanay! 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Yay! See, KaFam is colorful. I like to touch it, but maybe I will put it. Okay? I'm so happy! It's Christmas Day!
Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukati!
Again. Kumukuti-kutitap.
Kumukutita-tita!
Time for me to bring my surprise for you. Wait lang. Close your eyes.
I'm closing my eyes. I cover my eyes with a towel.
This one is my surprise for Claire Lalu. No peeking. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. What's this, Claire?
What's that?
This is a portable bonfire. Kanina pa ako tinatanong ni Claire kung anong gagamitin namin. Kasi dati, wax or candle.
Like it's a food.
Ah.
I wish I would eat.
This is from Bonfire. It's a portable, effortless bonfire. Perfect for our marshmallow roasting.
One last smell.
Smells like food.
Yeah.
Dati yung ginagamit namin ni Claire is kahoy o di kaya kandila, toaster. Ngayon, meron tayong portable na bonfire. Let's see how does it work. First time, my first time too. Ooh! Ay, wait lang. Take 2. So, diba? Okay, there. Ah.
Maybe we
Tapos, oh, diba? This is so nice. I like this.
Wow!
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Keke.
Christmas, Nanay.
Okay, ready? Oh, grabe. Ang laki ng apoy. Take your stick. And our marshmallow, of course. Oh my God, this is for real. Fire. Okay, here we go.
I want to do it together.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wow, di ba kay Claire? Tutuon na ginyaton yung mga bonfire. This year, mukhang maganda ang aming fire. Dati kasi, ngayon, meron na tayong ganito. Di ba kay Claire? You can enjoy Bon! Oh my God!
Oh, look! Look!
Ay, gusto ko ni.
Oh my
see!
God.
Ang awan nga roasted marshmallow.
Oh my God, I see it a little.
Eh? Mmm!
Crunchy. I hear the noise.
You hear the crunch?
Wow. Like
Achieve na achieve.
I like this.
Sabi sunog-sunog na na yung keke.
Wow, mine is big!
Dito sa batok, no? Parang sunog yung... Nakain ko, wait lang.
Oh my God.
We can smell Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
So yummy.
Ooh,
I want
ooh.
two. I can choose two marshmallow because it's so yummy.
Mmm.
Wow. It's amazing. Oh.
Na, nice na keke.
What? Perfect?
Nice na. De.
It's yummy. Smells
Mm-mm.
like Christmas.
Yeah. Kailangan ko siyang magawa this year. Pero sunog yung nagagawa ko ngayon.
marshmallow to
Wow,
go.
grabe ah. Oh, ikaw be? You taste be? Ah. Oh, blow first, blow. Ay! Sorry.
Be quiet. What? The glitter is a fire! Oh, did go with fire here.
Oh, hi! I say Merry Christmas!
Christmas.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. Never forget the love we have for Jesus.
Eating marshmallow.
Oh,
One is sweet na.
oh, too sweet na.
Bye, KaFam! Merry Christmas! See you soon! Merry Christmas!